Hey guys, it's your girl Royal TJ, back to the new video. Excuse me. So today's video is going to be a quick room tour. I'm going to show you my room. That's pretty much it. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button for more videos from your girl. So let's just get to the video. Okay, so here's a quick overview of my room. Here's a little quick overview. You can see, okay. So first walk in my room. I have my door. Got a bunch of stuff on my wall. Then I got my blankets and stuff and clothes right there. Then I got my blender. Got an Ariana Grande poster right there. And then my mirror. And then over here is my bookshelf. I just got some books, stuff over here. So I have my bed mirror right here. Got my pillows, and then I made this thing during quarantine. If you remember these from TikTok, you remember, so yeah. Then I have my bed right here. Got the laptop, pillows, regular schmeckler. I got a whole bunch of books over there, trash over there. Just not gonna talk about that. I got this tapestry that's basically a blackout curtain I use it for. Got it from Mexico. Then over here I just got some books. Got my crystal necklace, and then my crystals right here, my wallet, my phone right there, and I got my camera battery charging currently. And then I got my picture of my mom right there. I got my Christmas tree. Yes, I already have my Christmas tree up. Do not come at me. Thank you very much. And I have clothes over here, more shoes, and then my book bag, and then my closet over here, which has all these pictures of my friends and family. And then right here, I got some pictures on my wall. See that right there. And then I have my skeleton that I got from Amazon. I can just zoom out of that for a bit. I have my gnome. See there, that's it. Then I have my mirror right here. Another mirror. Then I have a picture of my aunt that passed away from breast cancer right there. And I have my grandmother's words of wisdom from her birthday. And over here I got some, this is literally just a cleaner. And this thing smells really good, and it's the vanilla and peach blossom. I got some stuff in here, jewelry, makeup, Q-tips, and I got some paperwork for my job. Then I got my lotions, my pens, sunglasses, some stuff in here. And then I have some nail gems. Got wax warmer, and then I have my daily pills. Yes, got this serum. Then I got some biotin gummies. They're not prenatal. Got some iron pills, and then we got my TV right there. So yeah. So that is the end of this room tour. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button down below. Please feel free to follow me on all my social medias. It'll be linked down below. And I will see y'all in my next video, whatever that may be, whenever that may be. So yeah. Love you guys. Stay safe and goodbye.